How do I start off my video? Hey YouTube fam, it's me again, and I'm back with another video. And what I have for you is just some stuff I got out of the refrigerator. I just wanted to chug something, and I looked in the refrigerator to see what I had, and I had Corona Premier, uh, Coca-Cola coffee, and a natural light. So I'm gonna chug all three of these for you on camera. So let's get started here. Sit them somewhere. Start with we're gonna start with the natural light first, then the Coca Cola.
I'll try the soda first.
Huh? So you can see me real good though. Okay. It's too cold. It's too cold. Stay down for last because that one is definitely really cold. That one came out the freezer. This one cold too. Look how cold this. There's so much condensation on this one. The colder they are, it just makes it harder for me to chug them.
It was in the freezer first before it was put in the refrigerator.
Yeah, I know. I had took it out the freezer. It was frozen, and I put it in the refrigerator to get to, to what they call it, thaw. Hold on, I got to burp again. Oh God. Oh God. Oh shit, I ain't got the thing. Oh, I ain't got the thing. To pop this open. I can't exactly run off camera and go get it because it's a beer chugging challenge. A chugging challenge. It's either by the computer desk or on the shelf. All right, she going to go get that for me, guys, because I forgot to get the pop cap thing to pop the cap off. Ooh, man. Oh, you found it! Yay! She found it. All right. All right. I am full. I'm full. All right. Oh God. Hold on. That burp. They call this bitch phone. It's the beach phone. Don't drink no beach phone. All right. Got them all down. All right. I got them all down. Thank you for watching. I got more videos coming at you. You have a good night and peace. Oh, guys, I forgot to say like, share, and subscribe.